I'm back with another video. Today's video is featuring this palette that I've been wanting to try out for a while. I'm late, I know. I got this palette during the after Thanksgiving Cyber Monday, one of those sales, from the Crayon case. It's the Watch Me Blush palette. I was looking forward to using it. I've used it already before. This is my first time using it. But I wanted to just try it out, test out some looks I wanted to use before I got on camera and did it. You know how that goes. But yeah, it's a simple enough look. I hope everybody can follow along. And it looks kind of like a Valentine's look too, like with the pinks and purples and stuff. It came out really good, I think so. So stay tuned to see how I came up with this look. Okay, so we're not going to talk about how I'm catfish. We're going to talk about how we do this makeup. So as usual, I'm going to do my eyebrows with my NYX Microbrow pencil real quick. Okay, now I'm going to clean up my brow with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 330. And to set my brows in place, I'm going to use my Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter Gel in clear. So I'm just going to prime my eyes with that same primer. Okay, so for my first shade, I'm going to use this transition shade. I'm going to use the shade Cobbler. And I'm just going to blend that like right up here above my crease, right up under my brow bone. Now I'm gonna go in with the color Tangerine as another transition shade, and I'm gonna sweep that under that first transition shade and blend it all out. And to smooth that out some more, I'm going to just go back in with that same brush and then pop that Cobbler color. And I'm just going to sweep it across the top to blend all this together. Okay, so the next color I'm going to use, and don't be afraid, I'm going to go in with the color Berry. See that color right there? And I'm going to put that in my crease and blend it out. Since I done kind of made this into a halo eye, I'm blending it around and I'm making sure I get in here and right here. And these colors are very pigmented, so be careful. taking that same brush and that tangerine color, and I'm gonna blend this out on the edges. Sometimes it might look crazy, but you have to trust the process of your work, okay? Don't be scared. Just do. The ultimate goal is to make sure there's no harsh lines when you're doing your eyeshadow, so blend, blend, blend. So for the dramatics, my favorite part of any eyeshadow look, we're gonna go in with the glittery color. And today I'm gonna use the strawberry cream. And I'm gonna use my damp flat shader brush and put that on my lid. I'm gonna try to stick within the middle right here where you see it's missing a little bit of eyeshadow, since it's kind of a halo eye. Go back in with that brush that I used, the berries color, and I'm gonna blend the glittery color and the berries color together. Now I'm gonna do a little wing liner. Let me tell y'all something. Y'all think I be beating my face, but when I tell y'all eyeliner be kicking my ass. Now I'm gonna put on some lashes. So now I'm gonna conceal my dark marks. So for foundation, I'm going in my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation in the shade 345. For concealer, stay in the Fenty family. Using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer again. And I'm going to use my matchstick in the shade Truffle for contour. So for my powder under my eye and all over my face, I'm going to use my Mercier translucent powder. And to dust all this powder off, I'm going to use my Makeup Forever Pro Finish. And use this big fluffy brush. And for bronzer, I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown bronzer in the color Deep. So to add the finishing touches under my eye, I'm going to go back in my Watch Me Blush palette and I'm going to take the color Tangerine and sweep it under my eye. And then I'm going to go in with Berries with this brush right here and I'm going to put it on top of that Tangerine shade. And now for blush, I'm going to go in this shade Vegas, dust it on my cheeks. And I'm going to go in my Rosie Glowrez highlighter, put that on my cheeks. I put a little too much on my nose. Then of course I'm going to spray with setting spray. So for lip liner, I went in with my NYX Lipliner in the shade Toast. It's a brown liner. And I'm going to use my Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Flying Horses. Alright, and there you have it. Here's the finished look. enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed working with this palette. It's really good and beginner friendly. It has some nice transition shades. It also has a different range of colors if you want to get, you know, creative or whatever. And yeah, the colors were pigmented, easy to blend out. And that's really what you need in a palette. You need to be able to blend them out. You need to be able to have some pigment. Like, you don't like them dusty, chalky colors that don't even show up. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to Super and the Crayon case for this palette. I know I'm late, y'all, but better late than never. So yeah, like, subscribe, share me. Okay, let everybody know about my videos. Give me some subscribers, give me some supporters. You feel me? I'm gonna do my leg work, but y'all can help your girl out, you know. See y'all on the next one.